Hello my lovely people, here's another summer dessert for you all to try. It's a chocolate mousse cake. It tastes absolutely heavenly and I promise you guys are going to be addicted to it. So let's start by blooming some gelatine. Place 8 grams of gelatine in a bowl. The measurements have to be precise, so I'm going to explain everything in grams and milliliters. Add 40 milliliters of room temperature water and mix it well. You're now going to microwave it for 30 seconds until dissolved. Mix it again and set it aside. Now you'll need 15 grams of cocoa powder, unsweetened. You want to bloom it in 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it and set it aside. It will look something like this, like a thick cocoa paste. That's perfect, it's exactly what you want. Place a large saucepan over a medium heat. Pour 250 milliliters of whole milk into that pan. Add 200 milliliters of double cream, 30 grams of sugar, 50 grams of condensed milk, and that delicious cocoa powder mixture. You want to bring all of this to a simmer, mixing it the entire time. If you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please take the time to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to show your love and support. Now back to the recipe. Now we want to add 100 grams of chopped chocolate once this mixture has come to a simmer. Mix it well until dissolved in the milk mixture. It already looks like thick chocolate milk. It looks delicious. Now you want to turn off the heat and remove the pan from the stove. As you can see, we don't boil the mixture. There's a couple reasons for this. Firstly, you don't want to boil the cream, and also gelatine can't take high temperatures. So if you add gelatine to mixtures that are too hot, then the gelatine bonds end up breaking and it won't set. Cool this mixture for around 2 to 3 minutes, then add the bloom gelatine to the saucepan. Mix it through, but do not overmix it, because overmixing the mixture can also break the bonds of the gelatine. Strain the mixture to remove any lumps, and then place the bowl in an ice bath to cool it down. As it cools down, it will begin to thicken. You want to bring it down to room temperature, so keep mixing it all the time. Line a loaf pan with parchment paper and pour the mixture into the loaf pan. Refrigerate to set for around 6 to 8 hours. It's best if you refrigerate it overnight. It will look like this once it's set. It looks absolutely amazing. Now we're just going to remove it from the pan by inverting it onto a plate. You may need to use a spatula just to loosen it up from the sides. And we're just going to invert it onto a plate just like this, and ta-da! It's done. Just remove the parchment paper like so, and look at that jiggle. That actually looks really good. Now I'm just going to dust the top with cocoa powder like so, and there you have it. That looks absolutely amazing and it tastes great. Seriously, you guys are going to be addicted to this dessert. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye.